Here's a question we hear a lot from our members. I've been seeing lots of ads for companies and ads that help with debt consolidation. Are those legitimate? Are they something I should look into if I feel overwhelmed with all my different payments?
Great question. And shout out to you for thinking critically about your finances. First, let's talk about what debt consolidation is. Let's say you have 5 credit cards. All of them are maxed out and in debt. Additionally, let's say you have an auto loan that's behind as well. It can feel tricky to get out of these payments. For example, let's say that you have one credit card with a $5,000 balance and 20% interest rate, which is the national average for a credit card interest rate. It would take you 12 and a half years to pay off this credit card if you were just doing the minimum payments. And you'd pay an additional $7,100 in interest rate on the original $5,000 that you borrowed. That's way more interest rate than you originally borrowed from your principal. Now add more credit cards to this calculator and you're going to be paying much more money than you originally accounted for. A great option to alleviate stress and to save big bucks is to take out a personal loan. With all that money, you can pay off all of those credit cards and the auto loan in one payment, and then you just have one payment every month. Let's go back to our original example of the credit card with $5,000. For that same credit card borrowed, we had a lot more interest rate, so we'd end up paying $12,100 in interest rate. If we had a personal loan with the average interest rate for that, we'd only end up paying about $8,000. So we saved $4,600 in interest rate over the course of this credit card versus a personal loan payment. Now again, add more credit cards to the credit card equation or more credit cards to the personal loan equation. You're going to save a lot more money and a lot less stress if you take the personal loan.
So let me make sure I'm understanding this. Consolidating debt like credit cards or car loans into a personal loan is a great way to minimize confusion by having one simple payment. And it saves you money in the long run over time, like thousands of dollars.
Yeah, exactly.
But back to the question, what about companies or programs that say that they can do this for you?
Yeah, so these companies have customers pay them so that they can pay off the debts and consolidate the debts for you. We highly recommend you do your research when you're looking at these companies because not all were created equally. Actually, here at Canopy, we offer free financial coaching for all of our members and our non-members. We're here for you every step of the way in your debt consolidation process and journey. We have meaningful conversations with you about your finances and navigate you towards the best option how to get out of debt.
So keep following along with Canopy on social media for more helpful information to help you learn more about your finances.